Okay, today we're going to learn to do cool tricks on the 3x3. We're going to first do the Indian flag. Okay, let's get started. First, we're going to find the white side. It's going to face the sky and the green side facing us. We're going to find the orange and white side, orange and green side, and then get up. You can see this. As you can see, the blue side needs to get down to the white side. The white side needs to go to the green side. Okay, now we're gonna turn this part 3 times. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna turn it to the orange side, and bring this orange and white piece side up. So you have a green, white, and 2 orange pieces. We're gonna try to find the piece where it has like 4 pieces where it has white, yellow, blue, and orange pieces. We're gonna bring this thing down and turn it where it has this part. Now we're gonna make this white side a blue side. So we're gonna twist this entire white row and bring this blue piece down here and bring it back up. And that's how you do it. Returning it back is really hard, but we'll get over it. We're gonna first bring this down so it has like this 2 piece and bring it back up. And then bring this back up so we have 2 white this here and then like that. Also, we need to bring this all the way down to here, which we're gonna do here. So it has finally a row 2 times and back up. There we go. And now we need to switch over here and find out where this blue piece goes down over here. So this green piece, no wait, it's orange. So we're gonna switch it to the orange piece where it goes down here and switch it down there. Now this part is really easy. Just switch it over here, part over here, and then back here. The next one, the Japan. It's hard to make. It's because we don't know where to make it. I know it's on the orange side and blue side. You can pick. I'm gonna go with the orange side. You can do that. And then the white side should be facing the left over here. The orange side should be facing upwards. If you're doing the blue side, the orange should go away from you, and the red should be facing you. I'm gonna do orange, so the red side should be on the bottom. We're gonna bring this white row down, this green row down. So we're gonna take this white row over to the right, down, and then right, and then down. And then we're gonna keep continuing this. And then we go to Japan. Taking it back is really easy. You just need to keep doing it. Where we saw at the beginning, where at the end of the thing, where we just put it down. So then after what comes after down? Right. Down, right. Down, right. Down, right. Down. We just ended it down. So we're gonna do it right again. Right, down, right, down. Right, down, right, down. And we're going to do the same with the blue. Right, down, right. If you're doing the blue, then you're going to just copy the same thing I just did there. So we saw the white and blue, the white and green. See, if you have to do it twice and then there. See, Japan. And then we just do it again. So 3 times in total. So 1 time to make the Japan on the orange side, 2 times to make it on the blue side. That's the Japan. Okay. My other trick is what I'm going to show you, is changing the blue side. Wee. So I'm going to change the blue side to the white side, the yellow side of it. I'm going to do it the white side actually. So we're just going to have to switch this, the white side over here, and then the middle, and then here. There you go. And then you just change the blue to here. And you just do it with all of them. Last trick, checkerboard. Lots of people know how to do it. And there's two ways of doing this, the checkerboard. So the first thing, we're just going to take one side and twice. And then the same with here. So you see this. And the blue side and the white. The blue side and the green side are not done yet. Now we're going to see this. And make this like white, the two outers thing on the top. And then the yellow side on the thing on the bottom. So we see the green facing us and this facing upwards to you. If you're seeing this on camera. We're going to switch this side twice. Oh, yeah, there. So you have this. And switch it again, so we have it like this. And now we have the checkerboards on these sides. Now we're going to move this twice. And this was the checkerboard for the beginners. Now we're going to bring it back. Same thing. We're just going to do twice over here, twice over here, and then twice over here, and twice over here, and then twice over here, and then twice over here. And now for, not like for like, I don't know, better people than beginners, I don't know. We're going to do it this. I'm just going to show you beginners how to do it, if you are a beginner. This, moving the center way. See this? So we're going to hold, this is for the beginners. If you already forgot how to, this is method is going to be hard. So we're going to, the first way to do it is hold the thumb on the red piece and then the middle finger on the orange, okay? And then diagonally, we're going to put the thumb over here and then the ring finger over here, okay? And then we're going to hold it and grab. And I don't know why I said the ring finger goes here, because the middle finger is going to turn the center. And for the checkerboard, we're going to do it once and twice. But if you're doing the Japan, you're only doing once. So we're just going to do that and change positions. Do it again. Checkerboard. And then we take it back. So you want to make it look like that it's like back to like, where it's like whole row like that. Done. You see this? And then now the other way, where there's more grip. So we're going to take the thumb again and put it on two pieces. Thumb on the other side, one. And the ring finger again over here. And then the middle finger on the red, two pieces. And then the middle finger is going to turn it. And then we just change position. And that's how you do it. And bring it back. That's all the tricks I did. So, and that's how I told you. So, like and subscribe, everyone.